Hi, so let's do dynamic routing. So today I will do with the 3 router. So let's take 3 router. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then I will take 3 switches. And yeah, 6 pieces. And let's connect with the cable. I will take this automatically choose connection type. Okay. Okay, so we are not able to connect with the another router, so let's give extra port in this router. So here is a port, placing port area. So firstly we will turn off, and then we will take it and yeah, place it here, and now turn it on, and do the same thing here as well. Turn off and place it here, turn on. So it's done. Now let's connect it. Yeah, it's done now. So now we will give IP address to each PC and default gateway and this router area network. So let's give 192.168.2, and I will take default gateway 192.168.3, 192.168, 168.2.1, 192.168.2.2, 196, 168, oh sorry, 192.168.2.3, 192.168.3.1, 192.168.3.2, 168.3.3, and now we will give these to connection port ID. Mm, 68.4.1 and 68.4.2, 192.168.5.1, 192.168.5.2. So it's done now. So it's done. Now let's configure. So I will start with PC. Okay. So go to desktop, IP configuration, and give IP addresses to 168.1.1. Okay. 192.168.1.3. So our default gateway is this IP address. Okay. Yeah, it's done. Now let's do the same thing here as well. .2.1 2.168.2.3. 2.2. All pieces done. Now let's give to IP address here.
The equivalent iOS commands are.
So firstly let's check which port is it. So it's fast Ethernet 00, and this one is 01. .3, and don't forget to turn on port status. So it's done. We will give to another port. 68.4.1. Okay, turn on. This is done. As you can see, it turned green now. And check here as well. This is fast Ethernet 01, and this one 00. .2. Serial number 000, and fast Ethernet 0 as well. Oh, I forgot to turn on this as well. We have to turn on this area as well. Okay, so this is 92.16.5.1. Okay, turn on. 0. Five dot two and this one 168.3.3.3. So yeah, it's all done now. Now we will do dynamic routing. So firstly, let's check that all these network communicating to each other or not. So we will take one message from here and we will transfer here to here. So yeah, it is successful. Three of them successful, but when you will transfer from here to here, it is showing failed. So let's do it. So for that, we have to go here, RIP, and we have to add all network address so that they can communicate to each other. We also have to give add a network of this area as well. We do not have to miss any single area, and we don't need to give next port ID. So this is very easy. 192.168.1.0. This is one network from this area, and we have 5 network, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to give 5 network to each router. Zero, 3.0. So it's all done now. Let's go back and do the same thing here as well. Even though if you give IP address 192.168.1.1, it will automatically take 1.0. Just do as fast as you can. 2 is also fine. 16.3.0. 0. Zero. It's all done now. So our static routing, our dynamic routing has been done. Now let's check that they all are communicating or not. Firstly, from here to here, successful. Here to here, successful. From here to here, yeah, it will show failed once, but second time successful. It takes little time, so that's why. Failed, successful, successful, fail, and successful. Yeah, so we have done now. Thank you so much for watching.